Ooh. Hello there. Okay, this is kind of in an awkward spot here. When in doubt, use grenades. This shotgun's good. Oh, 2 health things right here too. Nice. Kind of go up along this ridge and try and. The one thing I really like a lot about this game, I think, is it really makes this game enjoyable. Oh, snap. Sons of... Oh, man. Almost got me there. Okay. That's cool. You don't mess with me and live up. Now, one thing, as I was saying before, I was rudely interrupted by a grenade. Okay, how did that not kill him? It was in the head. There. You can hear it too. I love that. What was I? Okay. Oh yeah, one thing I really like about this game is that you can flank a lot. There's a lot of flanking action going on. It makes the game a much more realistic experience. Reload. Go pick up a health pack. Cool. It makes it a much more realistic experience and much more open-ended and yada 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 yada. Anyway, it's more fun. Oof. Okay. What is that guy doing out there? That guy's been shooting me up. Got him right in the head. They're kind of across the... Okay. Now this is either going to be really smart or really stupid. It depends on how good you are. Go right up behind him. Sprint. Oh man, I love that shotgun. Took 2 out with 1 shot. It's so beast. Okay, cool. Now we're kind of fighting up a hill. That's not good. Okay, kind of go off here to the left. Try to always kind of steer clear of where your allies are. Not like, oh, you know, your allies are bad or anything, but you don't want to be right where they are because wherever your allies are, that means that's where the enemies are. That's where their fighting is like directed, right? Oh, okay. Okay, come on. What? There we go. Ooh, snap. Got it, right there. Oh, snap. Yeah, you got a big trench over here. This is the tough part. Got a bunch of guys in this trench, right? Okay, there's a bunch of them off here to the side. Kind of on the right flank, man. Got him. One behind this truck.
Travis, find a way around and open that gate from the other side.
Okay. Yeah, you can't argue that shotgun, man. I mean, that's pretty good. Alright. It's part of the level. Always go over here. Make sure you clear this guy out. On that little alcove right there. Then you want to go over here. Okay. Get anyone you can. I mean, you know, obviously, get anyone you can get, but you want to be focusing. What? You want to be focusing on the guys. Wow, who's hitting me? Okay, you want to be focusing on the guys that are kind of on the top more upper parts. Okay, I think it's clear in the upper part at least. Okay. Got one right in the head. Okay, kind of focusing, I'm not really talking to you much. But, okay, so you want to kind of go up and under. If you have any grenade, that's really good. Now, we'll go get some help over here. That's good. You know, you're probably going to need help after that first part. I mean, I did. Now, throw a grenade over this area. I got at least half of them. Now, once you kind of get your eyes up there, okay, now you go over here on these catwalks. We'll go up over here. Come on the top, this little thing right here. And then you climb across, pick up your rifle ammo there. You run across here. Get behind cover as soon as you can. Get behind that box. Okay, now here's where you're going to be looking. You won't be using your... Okay, there it is. Got it. You want to be, your ability to survive in this part, next part of the level, is going to be almost dictated solely on your abilities to pop off quick headshot with a rifle. I'm serious. I'm serious. I mean, that guy down there too. Okay, where are you at? Okay. Oh, what? Oh, snap. Thank you, guys. Okay. Get to the thing that makes this part... Oh, get this guy on the left, too. Don't forget that guy. That guy will shoot you right up. The part that's really hard about this part, too, is the fact that, you know, they're throwing grenades up there, and you're kind of on this catwalk, so you're kind of like... you don't have a whole lot of areas to go. Okay, good. Wow. Maybe you gotta get to the top first, okay? Just kind of... What? Oof, I still have my full bar of health. That's